Hi, my name is Hanniel Levenson. I'm the rabbi at Congregation Mount Sinai in Brooklyn Heights. I've been loving the vision rides that Hazon does. Love Hazon. What a beautiful mix of social action, of environmental awareness, and Jewish spirituality. All three things which are very important to my heart. I think I was doing pretty well on the leaderboards in the past couple of weeks, and then the high holidays are upon us, and so I have been a little bit more busy than I would have liked to. Would like to be back out riding as soon as I can, and hope to do that as well. Loving the vision ride work, getting me outside during this most challenging time, and getting a little sweat on to balance with my study and my spirituality. And so really appreciative of this beautiful work that we're doing, that Hazon is doing with the vision rides, really building this virtual spiritual community together, something that is I cherish, something that I've been working on building for a long time with my community, the Cyber Sinai community. Putting Judaism into action. Judaism, this beautiful earth-based tradition. Judaism, this beautiful social action-based tradition. This beautiful spiritual legacy that we all have. And I see all of those beautiful practices coming together in the work that Hazon does. And I am honored to be a part of it. And hope to get back out riding a lot now and get back onto that leaderboard with everyone else. Keep going strong, Hazon. Shana Tova.